Awesome. So bad lists versus good lists. You want to pick a niche to get rich. The Benjamins are in the niches. So what I mean by this, account niches, the Benjamins are in the niches. So when you try to sell to a broad list of accounts that are in a magnitude of different industries, different employee sizes, different technologies, different revenue sizes, different locations. So when you've got multiple demographics of leads, you don't cut through the noise with your messaging, with your scripts, with your lists, right? So instead of going wide, you want to go super narrow. What's the one industry, the one employee size, the one tech size, the one revenue size, the one location that will change the game forever with the list? So that way your messaging, when you're writing to the one industry, one employee size, one tech size, one revenue size, it slices through the noise and lights them up like a Christmas tree or like the 4th of July. And then they easily book the appointment with you because your messaging hit on their biggest problems, pain points, you name it. Same goes with contact niches. When you're building your lists, you got to pick a niche to get rich with contact niches. The Benjamins are in the niches. You don't want to sell and build a list and then sell and market to a wide list that's in multiple departments, multiple titles. You know, oh, I'm going to go after these types of accounts. They're in 5 different industries, in marketing, in sales, in IT, in HR. Like messaging doesn't relate to those different departments, those different titles. So you got to get specific. You got to get lasered in on the niche for the contacts. So that way they're more prone to booking an appointment with you insanely fast. And that's why we always recommend how we were able to book 51,000 appointments roughly in the past year. We would go after very niche contact lists. Hey, what's the one department, the one group of titles, the one seniority level, the one roles that I need to sell to? And then I'm going to write my messaging to be laser focused on them.